As drones are becoming increasingly popular in Kenya for photography, surveying, agriculture, and even construction, it's important to separate fact from fiction when it comes to protecting your drone. Today, we'll be talking about three key misconceptions people have before they even choose or even think about having insurance. Myth number one: my drone is too small to be insured. Regardless of how your drone, even the size of the drone, it is prone to risks. It is prone to being stolen, accidents, and even causing damage to other people. So it's important to actually think about drone insurance, even if you're purchasing a drone the size of even this phone. Myth number two: most people think drone insurance only covers the drone itself. Yes, it covers the drone itself, but it can also help you cover claims against third-party liability. For example, let's say I'm piloting my drone for a wedding and it ends up hitting the groom or even the bride, and they sue me. Drone insurance helps cover the damages to them in case of any bodily injury and even financial aiding when it comes to that. Myth number three: nothing will happen to me because I'm an experienced drone operator. Well, that's fine. Experience can actually help you reduce costs and even damages or any other risks. However, we have things like weather conditions, we have technical malfunctions, we have battery failure, signal interference, even just the wildest of things. When that happens and you don't have drone insurance, what do you think can happen to you? Because you'll have to now cater for every single expense that occurs to you. Whether you fly your drones for business, for construction, for projects, for even recreation, understanding the risks that come with it is better when it comes to choosing the right coverage for your investment and yourself. Speak to one of our professionals today and get to understand the various insurance plans available for you and your investment.